Nick Greiner appeared briefly in court, where he formally entered a plea of not guilty to the murder charges involving his parents, Rob and Michele. The court session, which lasted only a few minutes, included procedural updates and scheduling decisions. During the hearing, Greiner's attorney confirmed his presence and entered the not guilty plea on his behalf. The defense also waived Greiner's right to a speedy preliminary hearing, allowing the next court date to be set for April 29, 2026. Greiner acknowledged the waiver when, addressed by the judge. Prosecutors told the court they have already turned over the bulk of discovery materials to the defense but are still waiting for the coroner's office to complete the autopsy report. They said the remaining materials will be provided once available. Following the brief proceeding, commentators noted Greiner's appearance in court and discussed the potential impact of pending forensic evidence, including the autopsy results. Legal analysts emphasized that while a schizophrenia diagnosis and reported medication changes could become important factors, they would not automatically remove criminal responsibility. Instead, such medical evidence would likely be weighed carefully by a jury. Greiner will remain in custody as the case moves toward the scheduled April 29 preliminary hearing. The judge also confirmed the matter has been assigned to a specific department for all future proceedings. Defense attorneys indicated they are continuing to review discovery materials as they prepare their strategy. Prosecutors signaled that additional evidence could still be forthcoming. Observers say the autopsy findings may play a key role in shaping the next phase of the case. The court made clear that courtroom filming and live streaming restrictions remain in place. Legal experts note that waiving speedy hearing rights is common in complex homicide cases. The upcoming preliminary hearing is expected to outline the prosecution's core evidence. Family dynamics and Greiner's reported mental health history could become central themes. For now, the case remains in its early procedural stage. More detailed arguments from both sides are expected when the parties return to court in April. Court watchers say the preliminary hearing could offer the first detailed look at the prosecution's theory of the case. Defense lawyers are also expected to challenge key elements of the evidence at that stage. Any new forensic or medical findings could significantly influence how both sides proceed. The judge will ultimately decide whether there is sufficient cause to move the case toward trial. Until then, the legal process will continue to unfold step by step as both teams prepare for the next court date.